Let's go, babe. Di enough done? Okay, I'll meet you there. Yes, a panorama of the whole Vilnius in Lithuania. See? Wow, grabe ang lamig. Promise, ang lamig. Napakaganda, guys. Nakaka-in-love. Sobrang nakaka-amaze ang lugar ng Lithuania. You should visit. And as in, pag napuntahan nyo po ang Lithuania, go to Vilnius. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Hill of Crosses. Ayan, so madali lang itong puntahan. And search nyo lang sa YouTube. Ayan, so napakaganda. So basically, parang autumn ito. Ayan, yan ang pinaka view. And that's the panorama. So yan ang cathedral. Makikita nyo doon yung malaking Christmas tree nila na meron silang pinagmamalaki na Christmas tree every year. So this year, very nice din. Super nice. Very nice. Alright. So yun lang po mga kabeshi. Hope na gustuhan nyo ang video na to. Welcome to Hill of Crosses. And welcome to Lithuania, Vilnius. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. We're going down there. Oh, it's a new path. Very nice. Wow, the sun babe came.
No, la vedranno, no?
There you go. Oh, the sunshine is coming.
You say that you love Vilnius.
Huh?
Right?
Oh my God, yes, it's home. It's home. Very nice. Because the thing is, when it's winter, like really like snowing, inside the house is really warm. So warm yung sa loob nila mga beshi. So hindi ka kailangang mag-worry. Hindi ka naman nasa labas all the time. Tsaka, I like winter clothes. Gusto ko yung style ng mga winter clothes actually mga kabeshi. So ayan. So sana po nagustuhan ninyo yung for today's vlog natin ngayon. So thank you very much mga kabeshi sa suporta. Ayan. Sa aking asawa. So tapos na kami mag-hiking. So pupunta kami mag-grocery kasi second day namin ngayon sa, not even second day, first day namin sa Lithuania today, no? So first time natin ma-experience yung winter nila. Actually, hindi pa to yung winter nila kasi yung winter nila dito talagang as in ang daming snow. Ngayon kasi sobrang ano lang, sobrang konti lang yung snow. Alright, let's go! Thank you very much. Greetings from Lithuania.